Hi guys and welcome to this video. This is just another video of me ranting. I mean educating the youth of our country. And as you already know from the title of the video, I am going to be talking about the superior language of this century, English. India is a country known for its diversity. We always see people bragging about the number of languages that are being spoken in this country. But even after having more than 19,500 languages, we seem to feel inferior from one particular language. And that is, surprise, surprise, English. अब ऐसा क्यों होता है? इस सवाल का उत्तर ढूंढने की हम कोशिश करते हैं. So let's take an example. There is this kid who does not know anything about English. अब जब वो स्कूल में एडमिशन लेता है तो उसे बोला जाता है that you must learn how to speak in English. उसके पेरेंट्स दूसरे बच्चे जो इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं उनकी तारीफ करते हैं और अंदर से ये प्रे करते हैं कि काश हमारा बच्चा भी इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल पाए. उसके फ्रेंड्स उसे बताते हैं कि इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स सुनना और इंग्लिश मूवीज देखना इज वे कूलर. नाउ लेट मी ऐड अ पॉइंट हियर. मोस्ट ऑफ द इंग्लिश मूवीज एंड इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स are better than the movies and songs currently being produced in our country, but it is not because of its language. It's because of its content, man. So after some time that kid connects all the dots and thinks that English is the better language and his mother tongue is inferior to English. And when this kid grows up and has his own kids, he teaches the same things to his kids and the cycle goes on. Now this cycle can easily be broken if every person understands this one simple thing. English is just a language. Now the kid in this story is none other than, surprise, surprise, me from a parallel universe. Because I have already broken the cycle and that's why I am making this video. तो जब मैं छोटी थी तो मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में पढ़ाना चाहते थे, like any other parent in this country. But due to some reasons, I ended up taking admission in a Hindi medium school. And for the 10 years that I studied in that school, I regretted every single day that why am I not studying in an English medium school? And everyone I knew in that school had the same regret. तो मुझे ये digest करने में काफ़ी time लग गया that English is just a language. A mode to gain information and in some cases to have a conversation with other people. बट अंकिता, यहाँ एक अच्छी जॉब के लिए इंग्लिश सीखना नेसेसरी है. इट इज बिकॉज आवर एजुकेशन सिस्टम वॉज डिजाइन बाय ब्रिट्स हु टॉट आवर होल कंट्री फॉर 200 years दैट यू आर इंफीरियर मदर. हमारे कंट्री में भी जिन स्टेट्स में हिंदी बोला जाता है वहां भी प्योर हिंदी नहीं बोला जाता, इंग्लिश बोला जाता है. And the percentage of English words we use in our day-to-day life keeps increasing generation by generation. And मुझे इससे कोई issue नहीं है. What fascinates me is how speaking a normal sentence in only Hindi sounds weird to our ears. For example, अगर मैं बोलूँ हमारी next class English की है या मैं ये बोलूँ हमारी अगली कक्षा आंग्ल भाषा की है, तो इसमें से कौन सी सेंटेंस तुम्हारे कानों को ज्यादा फेमिलियर लगी? सेंटेंस 1 और सेंटेंस 2? सेंटेंस 1, सेंटेंस 1, सेंटेंस 1, सेंटेंस 2. अब जैसा कि मैंने बताया मैं ओरिजिनली हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल से हूँ, तो मैंने अपनी पूरी लाइफ इंग्लिश बोलने में स्ट्रगल किया है और ना बोलने पर शिटी फील किया है. बट डिफरेंसेस बस वहीं ख़त्म नहीं होते. क्योंकि मुझे याद है जब भी मैं मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ होती और एक इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल के बच्चों का ग्रुप अगर हमारे पास से गुजर रहा होता तो हम सब उनसे काफ़ी इंटिमिडेटेड फील करते थे. विदाउट नोइंग अ सिंगल फकिंग थिंग अबाउट देम हमें समहाउ फील होता था दैट वी आर लेसर देन देम. Now someone who has not gone through this experience may think that it is not that big of a deal. But this small thought in a kid's mind leaves a huge impact and it can also affect his or her self-esteem and self-confidence till very later in life. हमारे यहाँ पर गुड इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग एबिलिटीज़ को स्टेटस और इंटेलिजेंस से जोड़ना भी काफ़ी कॉमन है. अब ऑफ कोर्स इसके पीछे के रीजंस को हम स्टडी करें तो इट विल अगेन लीड बैक टू आवर colonial past. Now let me clarify this, that I am in no way saying that one should not speak in English or English is a bad language. The only problem I have is with the language hierarchy, according to which a person speaking language A is considered better than a person speaking language B. Because in my own video, half or even more than 70% of my lines are in English, and it is because I am better at expressing my thoughts and opinions in English rather than in Hindi or any other language. One should speak whatever language they are comfortable in, but we all should most definitely unlearn this thing that has been taught to us since we were a kid, that speaking English somehow makes you a better person or more intelligent, because that is just absurd. अब पहले मुझे लगता था that this is a global thing, that everywhere around the world people get bashed for speaking bad English. But the more I grew and the more I learned about other cultures around the world, it was very surprising for me to see this, that in most of the countries, people are perfectly fine with speaking their own mother tongue. So why should we feel inferior because we cannot speak a certain language? Now, whatever I have said in this video are the things that I have experienced or observed, and it may be different from a person who is living in other part of our country. So let's bring some language positivity in our lives and be a little more kinder to ourselves.